Alright, so I was going to start a project, but the mail came in today, and this was delivered. It's pouring acrylic paint. I've been watching a few videos, and I wanted to try, but I'm also kind of afraid. I've used acrylics, brush on canvas or wood or, a drawer or dresser with something, I've painted art cars with acrylic, but pouring paint I've never done ever. So I got this box, and I have little cups from a party, and these are like Jello cups. It was a good party. I've got gloves, and a friend of mine brought me a bucket because I've seen some of the videos and they looked really messy. So we'll see how messy. Also, someone else online said that I should start with old canvases until I got better. So here we go. I'm gonna open this and see what comes in here. All right, so it comes with gloves, which I'm not gonna be using these. Brushes, very nice. I don't know if I'm going to be using these either. I don't know. But it comes with brushes. I'm going to put these here. Comes with a booklet about different techniques, which should be interesting. Okay. Then all the colors. So there seems to be a lot of colors. There's 32 of them. So, and they're already pre-mixed, so they should be, I gotta pop that top, but they have a little thing held on there. I'll pull that off later. The paint, I don't know, maybe it's the bottles, but they don't look that vibrant. But to start, I think it'll be pretty. It should work. Oh, it also comes with Cell Magic. Okay, and we'll just see what happens. Because I've never done this before. So this will be good.